So guys, Ryan is a bit too scared to come in the vlog, so I'm today only vlogging. Oh look, who gets to show it up? Oh my god. So yeah, he just flipped. So these are Australian cows, their breed is Husky. Look, that is literally scared of me. So that cow over there is licking a rock. You may think
Solid rock. Solid.
is licking a rock, but you may think that's extremely silly. But no, it's licking a salt rock, which is made of salt. It is good for them because they like licking it because it is good. Plus they like it licking it, and it is plus good for them. So yeah, that's the only reason they lick the salt rock. And look. They are such a beauty. Shout out to HRM Dairies for importing them to Pakistan to our dairies. It took a long time to get them imported. Please come over here. Please come over here. So let's go. Come on. So guys, I'm gonna mention it again. This breed is Hosling breed. So you can see over here are the adults. Adults are over here, and like they're just chilling over there. You can just see they're right over chilling over there. These cameramen, can you show them what are they doing there? Can you please show the cows what are
Come
they
on.
doing there?
Let me show you.
Rayan will show you what they are doing.
Okay, let's go. Let's go.
Oh, that little kid over there is our little sister, and she's playing. And she's playing right now. So yeah, so you can see this cow over there is licking a box made up of plastic. I think she thinks it's yummy. Bro, she's scaring me. Bro, she's crazy. Now, I think we may go over there and see what are they doing. I'm looking backwards so I don't fall. So this cow over here is chilling right over here alone and eating some food and getting fat. So as I told you, I'm gonna show you the babies. So let me show you the babies. Oh, God. This is an adult. As you can see, it's not a baby. These are kind of adults, so we will count them as adults. These are still adults, these are still like adults, so I will count them as adults. I was about to fall as adults again, so. As you can see over there in the milking area, they are very, very huge. They're like humongous. So, you may think that this looks like kind of incomplete, as it is yet incomplete, and it is still being built. And only here the machines are left for milking. As you know, it's a year of extreme technology. So, look, again over there, the cows are licking salt. The salt rock. So, yeah. And we are not allowed to go. And we are not allowed to go in here because, you want the cow to pick you. Those are babies over there. That's me. So cameraman, I'm gonna hold the cameras because you will be a little scared of them. So let me show you. Let me show you. So yeah. Let me show you. So guys, you can see the cows are over chilling here. Not sitting, but yeah, just chilling. Look, that cow over there is staring at me like, what the heck is that man doing? So right over there, those two at the front are the babies. I think the sitting one is also a baby. And look who gets to show up. It's Rayyan. I'm gonna zoom him to make him look ugly. So yeah, the cows again licking some salt. Bro loves licking salt, bruh. So bro has no real friends and he's making some cow friends.
I have friends at school.
Oh yeah, I don't care about them.
I have real
Look.
friends. I have cow friends. You don't have friends. You make friends with animals.
Look, those two cows over there who are staring at me. Can you see them? Probably. So they're kind of kids. And oh, I think I saw proper kids. Look, at the back there are two kids. Look, who's just staring at me like I'm a weirdo, and one is walking away. And he's making another one. So the another one is back.
Oh, they're fighting.
And they're fighting. And it's WWE. It's WWE. It's WWE.
Oh.
Another one is joining. Another one is joining. Oh my God! Another one is joining.
Oh,
What the heck?
He stopped.
Oh, they stopped.
I think.
Oh my God! 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 So yeah, what the heck is it doing? Let me go in and see what does it look like. You hear that sound? It's the cow. What the heck? And that's the cow from inside. What the heck is it doing? And you can see the cows. It's a little bit scary. That's a little bit scary. The heck? That's extremely scary.
I think I'm running.
Yep, you're going. Bye, Mr. Cow. Bye. What the heck is it? Let me scare. Hi, sis. It's itching itself. Those cows over there are saying like us we are weirdos. What the heck? What the heck?
Bro, I'm going.
Oh yeah. Oh, it's a biggie. It's a biggie. It's following us. Run! Run from here! Retreat!
Are you a kid? Are you 5 years old?
No, I'm not. Let me just close this little so it does not. Yep, I closed that. Like well and good. So let me show you where they get injected. And I forgot to mention the cows who will have babies. Let me show you. Oh my God. So let me zoom in because I'm not gonna go there.
These are
And the cows who I'm showing you, they're gonna have babies.
They are pregnant. Oh!
Oh. There's one lonely. Oh my God. Emotional damage.
Bro,
Let me try to touch it.
it will hit you.
Oh, it's relaxed. It's relaxed.
Do not touch it.
It's relaxed. You guys would be wondering why the fans are on, because I mentioned it's extremely cold and it's not. We did not turn on the fan. It's the weather, dude. So guys, we're gonna show you another part of the dairy. All of the cows are over here, and this second part of the dairy, the cows are gonna be present. Oh yeah, baby. Next year there are gonna be bunch of cows over here. Sheesh.
What the even got stuck here, bro?
Yeah, I forgot to tell you, and I should have made a video over here that one cow got stuck over here. And now here's the place where they get injected. They get collected over there. They go in from here,
And
get injected. That part over there was newly installed, and it was still over here. That part was installed because when the cows will have babies, they're gonna have to be stuck in there. Wait, I have to get permission to open the door. So guys, I literally got permission, and let's open there. There's a trigger over here. They open this, open that,
please don't trap.
and the cow. When they open it, the cow places its head over here and they trap it. So yeah, here they run over here. It's the same place where the cows were over there, as you can see, and it's the same place, but it's empty. So yeah. So
Guys,
that was a much of that dairy. We have to show you. Bro's like crazy, dude, crazy.
but you're dumb.
Crazy. Bro thinks I'm literally dumb, but no, I'm extremely smart. Guys, right now we are gonna show you how they do the treatment. So unfortunately, 2 cows were injured on the way to the shipment right now. So we are gonna treat them. One is barely going to, the eye is gonna survive, and one has a pimple on his eye. So today we are gonna show you. Look who's back. Hi, Rihanna. I'm behind camera because the doctor who's gonna treat the cows is gonna take every man, including our cameraman. So that is why. Let us get an interview from the doctor. So guys, right now they're taking out the cows, as you can see. They're changing sides. We'll show you the cows who needs to get treated. Those are the 2 who want. Those are the cows who have to be treated. So they're taking them out. It's gonna be hard to take them out because they are kind of crazy ones. So yeah. Look. They're running. Look, they're running. They're coming. They're coming. They're fighting. They're fighting. They're fighting. Rihanna's right over there laughing. It's kind of funny. Oh, look up! One's out. One's out. So it's coming back in. It's coming back in. It's kind of scary. It's kind of scary because if they jump,
If they fall, it's over. If they fall, it's
because it is extremely scary. And if they come, we have to go over there. Look,
If they fall,
we have to go back. We have to run because it's kind of scary for us.
because they can just break it.
Yeah. They're taking them off. They're taking them off.
He's angry.
Oh, they're now kind of crazy.
They are getting angry.
Oh, he's getting out. He's getting out. That's good. That's good. That's good. They need to get out. It would be extremely great. So guys, right now, they're extremely scared. So guys, right now they're taking out the guys.
Score.
Doctor is also going in.
Oh, the doctor is in.
Okay, the cows are running. Oh, and there's another one. Let's run so they don't catch up to us or they don't jump. So guys, it's kind of scary for us. We're just doing this for you guys right now.
Please like and subscribe.
Yes, guys.
They can hit us.
Oh, there! It's out! It's out! The injured one is out. Uh oh. Uh oh. That's danger. That's dangerous.
Uh-oh. The injured cows have been trapped.
No!
There's another baby right over there.
It doesn't need to go.
Wait, kudhar hai? So guys, right now we are going to the other side where we could get a closer view.
Our sides.
Yeah, because so we could get a closer view. Look, that cow's treating me. Uh-oh, they're getting treated. Let's run. We have to run.
Oh, he's gonna get the injection.
We have to go there quick. We have to go there as quick as possible because if they get treated, we're gonna miss all of that. So right now, why are there 3 cows? I thought there were supposed to be 2.
Bro, there are
What the?
3 different feet. 4 cows are in here.
3.
3, sorry. Bhaiya, goodbye.
These are the huge beauties. Look. Oh, it's serious.
Bro, this one is not even injured.
I don't know. Doctor knows it all.
Doctor knows it.
नहीं बस है ना दोनों की अखा चेक करनी हाँ पिछली दोनों
Oh, I got it.
And here comes the injured one. As you can see, that one is literally injured. I should get back because if I get injured, it's going to be extremely bad. So yeah, right now we are going to get this gate locked so none of the cows come in.
Someone's coming.
Oh, never, never.
क्या करना है आपके पापा ने बोला है कि
So guys, the doctor is bringing the medicines. So yeah, they're gonna be treated well. You can see how big the injections are. So right now they're gonna get treated. So no, you will get hurt. So guys, there's one man going. They're gonna treat the cow. One trap came necessary, so it's trapped over there. That cow is crazy over there. So for our safety, the door is being chained. Now we have to watch out for that one. Look.
Okay. No. The doctor is going to do. Oh!
So right now, guys, you can see that tractor. It came necessary because it does not have to be treated, so it has been left here alone so it could learn some manners and so it can run. As you can tell, I told you that this is a rock made up of salt.
Did you lock that door?
I think they locked it.
No.
They are a huge one. Huge. Look. Those are the 2 humongous giants who have to be treated. So let's see what happens.
Let's see.
Look, the cow is like crazy. So now the doctor asked for some water in that medicine. So now, I don't know. Oh, the cows are getting showered, but they are scared. The showers are on. Oh, sheesh. Look at that beauty, dude. So I'm going to show you what we were here for. And they're just going to tie the mouth of the cow so it does not bite the doctor when he's injecting and putting the medicine on his eye. So yeah.
Okay.
That is the face of the cow. As you can see, that cow over there, his cow is extremely his eye is extremely damaged, so that's why it has to be treated like immediately. So that's why it's over here. I applied antiseptic liquid on the eye of the cow, and now the doctor is taking out an injection. Ooh, that's gonna be painful.
They are not even that painful.
For cows on the eye, if I would be there, I would be crying right now.
Oh! I think we have to run.
So guys, the showers are on.
Okay, now it's going.
The cows are gonna shower. So let us open this door. So there's another man coming to open the door right now. The door's open. Now we can see how the cow reacts. Oh, the cow's angry. I repeat, cow's angry.
But yeah, it still gets open your.
The cow's being injected on the eye. It's gonna be painful. You have to stay quiet. It's pain for it. Oof. That's pain. It's like strong. So the reason, guys, I came back in because now they're gonna open the gate after one last injection on the eye, and now it's not an injection, I think so. And now we're gonna apply antiseptic liquid. The giant is gonna be released in that running area. The giant's crazy.
He's crazy.
That's my dad speaking to the doctor. So now the cow is being released. Oh, it has pain. It can't walk. It's like it can't see. It can't see now. It's like, what can I do? I can't see, dude. They are bringing the giant in.
Okay, you know
Rayan's scared right now.
Okay, hold the camera.
That giant ran away. They're bringing it in. The door's open for it to trap its head in. So yeah. Ooh. It's locked. So now I'm gonna go in. That dude's crazy. He's opening the injection. So guys, this was a cow who was extremely. Oh my god, it's looking straight at me. Whose eye was extremely damaged. Look, as you can see, his eye is most red, and it's like it depends. It's like none of the eye is gonna be left. First, you're gonna apply the medicine. Rayan's crazy. He's making cow sounds. They're applying spray on the cow's eye. It's feeling some pain. Rayan's like dumb. He's making cow sounds. They're gonna apply medicine on the eye. The cow's feeling pain. मुझे अंदर जाने दे. हो गई है
ऐसे
यार, दरवाजा तो खोल दे.
आपने आइडिया दिया क्या क्या
जल्दी जल्दी कर दे
यार बैठ मार दी क्या है.
That is a bit scary for us to come in, guys. Ooh. Right now, they're gonna apply medicine on the cow's eye. Now let's see what's the cow's doing, dude. Ooh la la. It's extremely cold out over here. Those two cows are over there. That's the cow who needs to be treated. Ooh, that's what the cow sneezing.
Oh, what is that cow doing?
That was a cow over there sneezing, dude. Sneeze.
Oh.
Do 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 do. Like I'm crazy right now. I'm hyped. Then they're gonna apply one more layer of the band-aid on the cow. The cow's bleeding?
From
Where? Look.
at the leg.
No, it's not bleeding. You down.
Pause it. Let me.
Bro, so dumb that bro thought the leg of the cow, which was red, is bleeding. Nah, bro. That bro over there is singing some songs. Bro speaking a native language. Bro, that's dumb. I'm gonna. Why is that bro over there being handed keys? What the heck? I'm just walking. Some saliva is leaking down from the cat's mouth. What the heck? What the heck is wrong with that dude? What the heck is that dude speaking? That bro thinks that I said him a bad word. No, I didn't, dude.
Guys, they're just speaking our national language, Urdu.
I'm gonna make him look ugly. I'm gonna make him look. Oh, I was supposed to show the cow. Not the dumb bro. So the cow is being treated right now over there. La 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 la. Let me just start a party over there and let's see the cow dance. La 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 la. La 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 la. What the? Let's start it again. La 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 la. La 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 la. La 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 la. La 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 la. That cow over there is like, bruh, what are you doing? That one over there is like, bro's a psycho. What the heck is that hole? What the heck is that, bro? I'm gonna zoom him to make you ugly.
You're ugly.
No, you're not. I'm not ugly.
Oh, color पिछले काला वीडियो पर काले
ਇਹ ਵੀ ਬੋਲਾ ਕੇ ਉਹ ਦੋ ਜਿਹੜੀਆਂ ਪਹਿਲੇ ਇਦਾਂ ਪਾ ਦਿਓ ਓਪਨ ਏਰੀਆ ਕਲੋਜ਼ ਕਰਕੇ ਫਿਰ ਇਹਨੂੰ ਫਿਰ ਬਾਹਰ ਚ ਲੈ ਜਾਇਆ ਜੀ ਲੱਗੇ ਸਮਝ ਕੇ ਅਗਲੀ ਵੀ ਗਈ ਅਗਲੇ ਪਾਸੇ ਹਾਂ ਇਹਨੂੰ ਇੱਥੇ ਰਹਿ ਦਿਓ ਮੈਂ ਯਾਰ ਸਵੇਰ ਵਾਲਾ ਖਾਣਾ ਖਾ ਰਹਾ ਯਾਰ ਜ਼ੁਬਾਨ ਲੈ ਯਾਰ ਬੰਦ ਕਰ ਦੋ ਮੈਂ ਸਾਰਾ
फिर मेरी वीडियो बनाएगा बहुत अच्छा
So right now, the cows over there are gonna be shipped back into their home area. So yeah, that's gonna be all for these two. But right over there, we'll get updated. So now that guy over there is gonna face to face with that cow. That dude's crazy.
So what's he doing?
Let's see who wins, him or the cow. Who's gonna he face? Oh, let me run over there and then break that door over there. I'm a bull. I'm a goner. I'm a goner. Mayo, mustard, ketchup, relish. I just made a whole entire song. Right now, the cows are moving. The cows are moving. Oh, sheesh. We are now a little bit scared because if they come out, it's gonna be scary. The cows are running. Oh, I'm a little bit scared. So now the cows are... The things which are leaking water are showers for the cow. There are like billions of them in that farm.
I thought it was coming for us.
Yes, we all both thought it was coming for us.
खाने का मैं बंदोबस्त करा तो खाने का हमारा कोई मिसमैनेज हो रहा है बंदा आ जाए ना तो फिर ये नहीं लेकिन ये भी मिसमैनेज बेटा बंद करे
So right now, the cow over there, who's I was training here, is gonna go over there, So yeah, it's running, it's running, it's running, it's running, it's running. Sheesh. So guys, let's.
This is the video.
This was the cow. No, bro, what the heck is wrong with you? So, oh my god, the cow's going in. It's going back to its home with his other friends. Yeah. So that's the cow going back to with his friends. So guys, right now the shower trigger is being on, and now the water's gonna come out of that. They're gonna on it in 3, 2, 1. Oh, the pressure is not very easy because the cows are getting scared, and the pressure has started. Look, it's raining for cows, and the cows are not likely to shower right now. So yeah, all of them are running. Look, all of them are running from the shower. They don't want to shower right now. They all are scared. The cows are not right now in the mood to shower right now. That's crazy. So guys, that was all for today, and hope you enjoyed the vlog over here, and now we're gonna meet in the next video. Peace.
Peace out.